everyone, welcome back to Literature with Sasha. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating periods in literary history, the Victorian Age. From the rise of industrialization to the literary giants that shaped the era, this period was a time of profound change. So grab your cup of tea and let's get started. The Victorian age, stretching from 1832 to 1900, was a time of great social, political, and economic change in Britain. Under the reign of Queen Victoria, Britain witnessed an era of remarkable achievement, significant transformation, and global influence. From the rise of industrialization to the advancement in science and culture, the Victorian era shaped not just Britain, but the entire world. Let's take a closer look at the defining feature of the period: historical context, the political and social landscape. When Queen Victoria ascended to the throne in 1837, the British Empire was already a major global power. But it was far from the peak it would reach. The political landscape was undergoing transformation with the growth of democratic movements and the gradual extensions of voting rights. The Reforms Act of 1832 marked a significant movement as it expanded suffrage from more men through women still had no voting rights during this time. Queen Victoria's reign and her influence. Queen Victoria lasted for 63 years, one of the longest in British history. Her conservative family oriented values become synonymous with the era, leading to the terms Victorian values. Her leadership helped solidify the British Empire's place as the foremost global superpower, expanding it into vast territories from Africa to Asia. The Industrial Revolution. The rise of factories and urbanization. One of the most significant changes in the Victorian era was the rapid industrialization of Britain. The shift from the agricultural economic to industrial societies began during this time, with factories popping up in cities across the country. This caused massive urbanization as people moved from rural areas in search of work in the new factories. Innovations in technology and industry. The Industrial Revolution also brought about remarkable advancement in technology. The steam engine, invented by James Watt, was one of the key drivers of this transformation. The development of railroad, iron ships, and machinery made Britain a global leader in industry. These innovations not only boosted the economy but also changed daily life, making products more accessible and efficient. Social changes and class distinctions. The growing middle class, the industrial boom gave rise to a new class of wealthy industrialists and entrepreneurs. As well as growing middle class, these individuals often lived in newly built green belts showcasing their newfound wealth. The Victorian middle class placed a high emphasis on respectability, education, and morality. The role of women in society. Women in Victorian era faced strict societal expectations while they were often limited to domestic roles. Many women, particularly from the working class, took jobs in factories as a governess. The middle and upper class promoted the ideas of the angel in house, a woman who was pure, nourishing, and focused on home life. Child labor and its impact. Child labor was widespread in Victorian society, with children working long hours in factories, mines, and other industries. The harsh conditions led to social reforms movement that eventually improved working conditions and raised awareness about the exploitation of children in the workforce. Victorian literature. Prominent writers of the period. The Victorian age was a golden age of literature. Writers like Charles Dickens and Bronte's sister George Eliot and Thomas Hardy created work that are still celebrated today. Their novels often tackled social issues, poverty, and struggles of the working class, painting vivid portraits of Victorian society's themes and style in Victorian literature. Victorian literature was known for its realism, with an emphasis on detailed depiction of everyday life. Themes of morality, social class, and the effects of industrialization were common, as well as critiques of the period's rigid social structure. Influence on modern literature. Victorian literature paved the way for modern literary forms, influencing writers in the 20th century and beyond. The detailed character studies, Plots and critiques of social norms still resonate in contemporary writing. Victorian art and architecture. The development of Victorian art. Victorian art was marked by a fascination with the past and an emphasis on realism. Many artists rejected industrialization and sought to revive medieval and classic themes in their work. Iconic Victorian architecture and its legacy. Victorian architecture was electric with a mix of Gothic, Romance, and classic influence. Iconic structures like the House of Parliament, Victorian Traced House still define Britain urban landscape today. Victorian fashion and society trend invasion during the era. Victorian fashion was characterized by elaborate design with women's clothing featured corsets, hoop skirts, and long flowing skirts. Man fashions more subtle and formal suits and tops had being the norms of the middle and pure classes. The influence of fashion on daily life. Fashion played a significant role in defining social status during the Victorian era. Clothing, grooming, and accessories were used as markers of respectability, and people often judge others based on their appearance, religious, and moral values. The role of religion in Victorian society. Religion played a central role in Victorian life. The Church of England was the dominant faith, and Victorian society was deeply religious. Christianity was often used as a moral guide, and church attendance was seen as a sign of respectability. Morality and the Victorian morals. The Victorians were known for their strict moral codes which emphasized politeness, limitation, and modesty. The terms Victorian morals has come to symbolize an era obsessed with the regulation of behavior, especially concerning sexuality and public conduct. Science and education. Advances in science and medicine. The Victorian era saw significant progress in science with discoveries like Charles Darwin theories of evolution and advancement in medicine, such as the development of vaccines and antibiotics. These innovations greatly improved public health and durability. The rise of public education. Public education became more widespread during the Victorian era, with laws requiring children to attend school. Education was seen as a key to upward mobility, and literacy rate improved dramatically. During this time, the British Empire expansion and influence of the British Empire. The Victorian era marked the height of the British Empire, with Britain controlling vast territories across the globe. This expansion brought wealth, power, and culture influence to Britain, but it also led to exploitation and colonization of the other nations. Colonialism and its consequences. The impact of British colonialism during the Victorian era is still felt today. While the empire brought technological advancement to many regions, it also led to the oppression and exploitation of indigenous populations in Africa, India, and other parts of the world. The economic and working condition, the industrial boom and its effect on the economy. The Industrial Revolution led to a booming economy with Britain becoming the world's leading industrial power. However, the prosperity was not equally shared, and many workers lived in poverty, working long hours in unsafe conditions. The working condition and struggle for workers' rights. The harsh working conditions led to the rise of labor union and social reforms movement. These movements eventually led to improvements in workers' rights such as better wage, working hours, and safety regulations. Technological advancement, innovation that changed the world. Victorian era saw a host of groundbreaking inventions that changed the world, from the telephone to the electric light bulb. These inventions helped lay the foundation for modern society. The legacy of Victorian inventions. Many of the technological advancements from the Victorian period continue to influence our lives today. These inventions help shape the modern world and are still used in industries ranging from communications to transportation. The Victorian family. The role of family in Victorian society. The Victorian family was seen as the cornerstone of society. Men were typically with breadwinners while women managed the household. This idealized family structure often excludes the realities faced by working class families. Family structure and norms. Victorian families were often large, and extended families lived close to one another. The nuclear family was considered the ideal, but many families faced challenges due to poverty, illness, and the pressure of industrial life. The Victorian age and its decline. The end of the Victorian era. By the end of 19th century, the Victorian era began to give away. to the modern world. The social, economic, and cultural changes of the period had paved the way for 20th century advances in technology, politics, and social rights. Transition to the 20th century, the Victorian Age legacy continued to shape the world even after its decline. The values of the era, as well as the advancement made during the period, helped lay the groundwork for the future. Conclusion: the Victorian Age was a period of profound change, shaping the modern world in the way that are still felt today. From industrialization to literature and fashion, the era left and permanent mark on history. Through the Victorian period is longest past, its impact on society, culture, and the global stage remains significant. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Victorian age. I hope you have enjoyed learning about this incredible period and how it's influenced literature and society. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more literary adventures. See you next time on Literature with Sasha.